Who is liable if I am injured in an accident involving a rideshare company?
The attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group explain.
If you are injured during a collision while riding as a passenger in a rideshare company, such as Uber, Lyft, or Sidecar, you should be protected by the $1 million in liability insurance that many of the major rideshare companies hold. This coverage will protect you even if your driver is not found at fault for the accident. If you have sustained injuries during an accident involving a rideshare driver, you might also be eligible for coverage under the driver's personal auto insurance plan, and possibly through your own underinsured motorist coverage. Even in a rideshare accident, the basic principles of liability in Florida still apply. The driver who is found to be at fault for the accident will ultimately be responsible for damages incurred by any of the involved parties. However, just because a party's insurance should legally cover the damages does not mean that they will not do anything in their power to deny liability or limit the amount of money paid out. The insurance companies utilized by car services, just like any insurance company, stay in business through paying out the lowest amount possible during claims, and they will attempt to achieve this goal by any means necessary. This is why it is extremely vital that you contact an experienced personal injury attorney who has dealt with rideshare accidents before if you find yourself involved in a collision while using the services of a car service company.
For a free phone consultation, contact attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group PA in Hallandale Beach, Florida today. With the right legal team behind you, Fenstersheib Law Group PA will fight the system with you to get the compensation you are legally entitled to.